Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add cell borders in Excel outside. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add cell border in outside. At first, select the sheet. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu and choose the outside border. We can see here the outside border. Then click outside of cell. We can see here only the border added on outside. You want to make sure the border is added outside. Go to the file menu. Select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the border only on outside, not all cell. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.